fill up with their tears and we can finally escape the netherworld.
If we can make the river rise, you will be free to roam their world.
That plan might work. I'm glad I thought of it. Scare the humans and raise the river. Scorpionic, get over here.
Yikes! Now that's a face even the monster mother can't love.
There's more to being a Power Ranger than mastering a sword. You must also learn to use your inherited samurai symbols.
Like this?
Very good.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Huh? This doesn't look right. Was it this way? No.
Mike, you have to take training seriously. Samurai, we have a battle to fight.
Stop right there now. Yeah! Yeah!